In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a form and embed it into your website or your blog. So, last name, I'm making my form, and I really love Google Forms. It'd be great to give a test and have everything right there. First name, and I do this last name, first name because it will put it into a spreadsheet and it's easier to sort by last name or first name. So there's my form. I can add a theme. So if I want to jazz it up a little bit, then I'll take this one. So that kind of sees what it's going, that can show you what it's going to look like. I can apply it, and I'm going to title this practice form. Okay, so, and I can give directions on what I want them to do. Then I can go to embed. When I do that, up in that more actions, it will paste this, I copy it, and it'll put it into my website or my blog. So here I am at my blog, and I want to embed this form. So I am going to look for the HTML code button, which I'm not finding. Okay, I just need it to look a little harder. Here it is, HTML. So I click on this, you can see how it's a little different. I want to put my form below, so I'm going to paste in that code. I can go back to compose, and there it is. Now it might be a little big. Yep. So I'm going to come back into that HTML, and I can see the height is 1265, way too big. I'm just going to do 600. And the width is 760. That's too big too. I'm going to do 380. And it's kind of a play around to figure out what works for you. That's a little bit better. It's even still, I think, a little long. So I'm going to go to 400. Much better. And now there is some scrolling, but you can kind of mess with it and get it to work. So then you can publish it and view it on your blog, and there is the questionnaire. So maybe you do want it a little longer. This has a really large header. I may not want to use that one. And if I decide I don't, I can come back to my form and I can change the theme. And maybe I just want something simple. That looks probably better to me. And then I would have to, again, go in and get a new embed code. So I can copy that, come back to my post, and I'm going to click on that post and I'm going to edit it. It actually changed it automatically, so I don't have to worry about it. So now when I'm in my drive, here is my practice form, and I want to see who's added to my form, so I can click on it. It opens up a spreadsheet. It'll give you the timestamp of when they did it. Here's the last name, first name, and then each column has more information. So that's the how-tos of creating a form and embedding it into a blog. Enjoy!